This is the wig that I just got. I'm in my car right now, about to put it on.
You got a fetish for you, Charlie,
Moving this. Push my seat back. That's the picture right there, the model. And immediately when I saw the model, I had to have this exact color. The name of this wig is Adina by Model. It's a premium wig called Adina. The color is OH279. And available colors, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It comes in 10 different colors. So I'm gonna remove the tag here. Y'all, it is super hot in Texas. This is the inside of the wig. There are no combs in here. It does have adjustable straps in it, as you can see in the very back. But I'm doing it. Ooh. You want to make sure your tabs are over your ears correctly. And then, oh lordy. I have a love-hate for Bane wigs. Sometimes they work out, sometimes they don't. So now I'm gonna get my mirror here and attempt to fix this wig. I'm gonna need some scissors, no doubt. As you can see, I have my wig on now, but this is the wig. As you can see, gorgeous color. The blonde is so perfect. It's absolutely perfect. But I wanted something that like it gave me a glow, you know, like that kind of blonde touch to it. And it has the blondes on the inside here, complemented by the dark brown on the outside. How cute. This wig is the same length all the way around. It's not shorter in the back or nothing like that. The same length all the way around. So that's that. It's pretty, I love it. I don't have on any makeup, I just have on lipstick. For those who are always wondering, I actually had somebody say that I wear too much makeup, which rarely do I wear any foundation. You may see me with lashes and lipstick on, that is about it. And so I just have lipstick on today. But yeah, this hair is extremely soft. It does shed quite a bit, I will say that. The place I got it from, it was only $24. It was on sale. You probably could find it cheaper somewhere else. Mainly it is cheaper online. From CJ's Beauty Supply in Denton, Texas. So yeah, I just wanted to come through and show y'all this new hairdo that I'm just completely in love with. And I know my mom is gonna love this wig. She is going to love it. She's gonna want to wear it. Or hey, if you ever get tired of that, don't sell it. I'll take it. I'm pretty sure. Y'all, I've lost weight drinking a certain tea. I will be doing a video on that. But yeah, that's just an update. So yeah, that's it for this video. You guys, do me a favor, thumbs up this video, share, subscribe to this channel if you have not. Hit the notification bell if you would like to know when videos like these are being uploaded. So I will see you guys in the next video. In the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.